Hello everyone, penaswai pi baro sai sin pa kini YouTube channel jonga. Please pone plapin easy itu videos ki barim jonga but kan dapat slam ko par. In po next topic that is examples jonga chapter 5. Example number 1 ko amno for the AP 3 divided by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Write the first term A and the common difference. Tingnan natin mentahan niya. Now AP examples magini. Number 1. Cộng nó ini và OA find OA OA. OA yang natin lupa the first term A equals to kan no 3 divided by 2 and o common difference D udah kan no common difference udah A2 minus A1 where A2 udah kan no A2 jangi day 1 divided by 2 minus kayo minus A1 day 3 divided by 2 then what else am at 2 the 1 minus 3 that is equals to 1 minus 3 sasa 1 minus 3 sasa minus u minus 2 divided by 2 ni cancel udah dijungi di kan no udah dijungi unday minus 1. Okay, I hope you last two to time for next. Which of the following list of numbers form an AP? O ang kumno nakini ki list nakini baro sautuli uno number form an AP. If they form an AP, write the next two term. Ada o form AP kung inajuli at kiwe usingly. Ada o form AP have find the next two terms. Example number 2. Number 1 today. 4, 10, 16, 22. Kan ma whenever you find ya ka yung have a difference. Udi di kat nomor that is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 from 10 minus 4 which is equal to kano 6. Dengan siyam sa ka A3 minus A2 which is equal to kano 16 minus 10 which is equal to 6. Amount ginabit ong therefore we form you an AP. Therefore it forms an AP. And AP, the form AP to you then come with the next two term that is yani tip A1, A2, A3, A4, then comes so A5 but A6. The A5 but A6 coming in what? And you shouldn't be away in symmetry 22 plus 6 which is kalong no 28. In simple term, naman balik you kan mau. How near ni sim 4 ni sim 4 ni dan come you A2 ni no ni plus m do 6 and say 10 hani bang E3 dengan come ni dan 10 ni sim plus bang ni sa sim 6 und long 16 then ni grab ni em tam ni sim 28 pada and plus you 6 that means we can know day 34 then tayong layo take next two term that is 28 by 34. Okay, then next number number 2 part take next number 2 day 1, minus 1, minus 3 minus 5 and so on. Then finally that is the difference which is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 kalong ano A2 jungi day minus 1 udan minus janga jongro kan mau kata and then in I have bracket that is udan sa minus 1. Okay, udan sa by A2 minus A1 so sorry udah 1 so sorry and I have bracket okay, that is minus into minus long plus that is minus 2. Okay, that is mentan next day A3 minus A1 or A2. A3 jangan dekat no A3 jangan minus 3 udah minus jong unia ka formula and ke ide udan sa A2 di minus 1 then I have bracket and sa no sa minus 3 minus into minus long plus 1 which is equal to minus 2. Tatang tu inatip ba A unyo form and AP tada ong mo dengan 1 so A 1 2 3 4 dengan A5 but A6 then in sim AU ngong AP in sim to last that is minus 5 dengan AU plus and dengan I plus kan mau dengan I plus udan minus jong I minus again plus minus 2 equals to minus 5 plus into minus 2 which is equals to minus 7. Next one day minus 7 dengan sim to minus 7 plus biang in sim yang minus 2 equals to plus into minus long minus 2 which is equal to minus long plus tomang I say minus that is 9. Okay, kita next two terms. Next number 3. Number 3 pan kena kuno number 3 pan minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 oh I mean 2 sorry di plus mo ni plus 2 then that is minus 2. The mental solution Jimbian difference A2 minus A1. A2 jangi dekat no, A2 jangi de 2 minus jang. Uni A1 tu dan minus jang. I have bracket that is minus 2. The minus into minus long plus 2 long 4. Okay. The next pada so A3 minus A2. A3 jangi dekat no, the minus 2 dan minus jang. Uni de A2 de 2 dan I have 2 dan the minus into minus long AU long plus the uni minus 4. Then the answer hami jangi ula long kum no. Therefore, ina belong ba uni you does not form an AP. Okay, number bela you pen ka difference okay kalong kum no uni de 4 uni de negative 4. Takada uni la ngim ong in ong kum no ba de ra ujo. So hence it does not form an AP. The next pedang in first connect that is ka number you put the next number 4. Okay, the number 4 pan. Ka number 4 pan ni no ka question ka day 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Kan ma in form in next two term in wat tang lada you lada kilong kum no kilaki difference ki kalong kum jo 3. Okay, solution in shim difference that is A2 minus A1. A2 generally 1 minus 1 which is equals to 0. The A3 minus A2. A3 jungi dekat no, A3 jungi day 1 minus 1 he, that is 0 he day. Then you say nama bikla appear number. Then A4 minus A3. A4 jungi dekat no, A4 jungi day 2 minus A minus 1. The pet kumkini kijak number we have check. Just because being ayo artly doesn't mean nama PM hani hadin kila appearan takadang mo AP to calculate 2 minus 1 sa no 1. Therefore uni ulong kum no uni AP. It does not therefore nabnong it does not form an AP. Okay, like nabnong ba form o AP. In press the next example that is the number 3. Number 3. Example number 3 ka ong no hingi. Example number 3 ka ong hingi. Find the 10 term of the AP. Ka ong no what is 10 terms of AP that is 2, 7, 12 utumo in ada AP. Okay. Number 3. We know an AP wala day. AP jang di no. What is 10 term day? That means A10. And it mo and it term along day. The 12, to find the 10 term. Tentang natin yung A jang di 2. U D jang di kam no. D jang di A2 minus A1. A2 jang di kam no. Di 7 minus 2 which is equals to 5. Tama U5 jang di U A. Di U ayo. Tentang yung kam sa UN. UN jang di kam no N jang UN jang di. UN jang di kam no N jang di 10. Namang yung kam wat A10 din day. Pa wat U A10 din day where we know formula di U AN equals to A plus N minus 1 D. Din day. The only the A10 naman to A jang di kam no di 2 plus N jang di 10 minus 1 U D jang di kam no di 5 is equal to 2 plus 9 95 plus 45 that is kanino 47 month. And 10 terms in your no an day 47 done so 47 therefore the 10 term of the given EP no EP is 47. Okay, we go to the next example that is number 4. Number 4 but no which term of the AP unia 21 18 15 dot is minus 8 and is minus 81. Also is any term 0 give reason for your answer. Ko ong no hani kajengkili ko ong na uni term uni minus 81 uday jong utam ayu mo and term jong in pen that means in simple term undan utam minus 81 to minus 81 uday position ayu mo jong position jong ga day ayu temen tang itip hangni ken ma uni 81 ulalong and term play you gamar bala you kalau ong ingi kajingkali lada which is any ka ong no ong uni di EP is kano uni di EP is kano minus 81. That means lada pila calculate ikani baro pensa yo kani temen ta pia what way end position that means kat no udan hau n. Okay means udi utam ayu Example number 4 part ko which term of the EP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81, and also is any term 0? Give reason for your answer. The ko no udan tau term unu term. The ko how new term tau term ayu ubade yu kumuna untau ni di first, second ni di third. Unu minus 81 pada udah term bakat no. Kumuna di first, second, third unu lak bendai maybe ula bendai u 7 term, ula bendai u 9 term, ula 10 term. Term ayu pada hak wat den dai. Ko you also is any term 0. The ko udan tau term ru ubade 0. Kalau dah udon negative 81, udon hem term pada 0, right? Maybe more. Then let's find out. Kau no give reason for your answer. Need to do EP. That is number 4. EP jungi udah kat no. EP jungi dai 21, 18, 15, dot. That is minus 81. Ini pick term. Oh sorry. Ini pick tak 81 di kat no. But in simple term kita panggil A. A ni di kat no 21. Udi jungi dekat no 18 minus 21 which is equals to minus 3, right? Udi jungi minus 3 and UN term jungi term ya mah buat ya utahi mak mun uni 81 udi term ayu, right? Temun ani en ni pada dai en jungi mu dekat no en jungi dai minus 81. Okay, en ulap ni last term ru. Okay, kumba ngai pi kumba aja patai shkman. That is en equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, an hani dekat no, an jungi di minus 81 which is equal to a jungi dekat no 21 plus n jungi ngem minus 1 di minus 3. Okay, so ni minus 81 dengan rak non sini lang minus 21 n minus 1 I will bracket minus 3. The minus into minus long you long plus, that is 2 plus 102 minus kan deh 102. Okay. Teman-teman ni pada what will we do here? What will we do here? Tehang ni ngalak benda anu ni shania. Okay, ngalak benda anu ni shania. Where minta? Okay, teman-teman ni bila benda kamu ni. Uni boning and multiply, that is 3n minus into minus long plus. Day 3 1 3. So uni dah ngarak sini kena ayu ukalano negative 3. Okay, that is 3n. Okay, I hope so. Piece 2 around. That is uni boleh the plus minus to minus long plus. That is unsa minus 105. To 3 dengan rasio ni kalau divide 3u 3 and 9 3 5. That is n jungi dekat no then n jungi day u dengan rasio ni uni day minus or minus into plus day minus. Sorry, minus bukan ni hanya. Tu uni minus uni buat uni cancel. Nama judong n jungi umrah day negative kan mau terkadau. That is mentau day n jungi day 35. Okay, kan mau bah ladang ipor bangi multiply kan mana after multiply sana kisain minus into plus long minus into minus long plus terkadau mi minus hang. Okay, I hope so. Let's do it on to that is 35. The kong you ring itu kong also in any term 0 kong no also is any term 0 don't tau term pada 0 pan tangnya pen i tau dan yang tau term ubade 0 pen i kuno pen i kata pada is there any term pada 0 tanya what kanta dan yang tau term pada 0 that is an jungi unde 0 ma teman-teman nak yo on 21 kan ju ikan day n minus 1 on day minus 3. Okay, then ini 0 equals to 21 plus u n minus 1 minus 3. Okay, I hope so. Bisa tu ni nak sini. Kalau u negative day dan nak sini kalau negative that is udi plus nak sini kalau negative. Dan ni 3 the minus into plus long u dekat mouse lagi sign banyak kelar kembali mana minus into plus long u minus 3n minus to minus long plus 3 3. Dengan darah anak sini kalau ayu minus 21 minus 3 equals to minus 3n. Minus into minus long u long plus tamau sign meet 24. Tu ni dengan darah sini kalau nak minus 3 which is n. Uni minus para minus can cancel 3u 3 benar 24 3 8. That means n jungi de u de 8. Kemudian haka 8 term yang saya bawa de kan no unsa day 0 haka 8 term kan mau. Okay, give reason. That means katu ika reason jungi kabla aing mentan. So the 8 term G8 term is 0. The 8 term is 0. Okay, I hope so. Feel as to the next thing question number 5. Kau ang determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. Kau ang determine na tau AP ba third term uday 5 and the seventh term is 9. Ta, yan pin ta. Kunungin wa kami. Ni tem kat kum ka ay kat ko formula. Okay, number 5 solution. Ni te ba way uday 3 jung uday kano uday 5 and uday 7 uday 9. Okay, dan kini ngilek kau no kung mangisir wat man kapuan ni hab wat iki ni hab determine ni kita ki EP ni hab i determine the EP that means nga hab i uni EP kini ki EP. Okay, warang ni uni ngam tep u third term di 5 tep kini ngam tep adan tep u 7 term. Okay, ni hab i tau EP te kumungin pin i tau EP kan mau ni shime kan ni shime ka take a first that is A3 equals to kat no ni tep A plus n minus 1 kan no hanen de D. Okay, Tahani A3 jungi di 5, A jungi di kat no, A jungi, do we know A? No, we don't know A. Plus N yimtem, N root yimtem, and then yimtem, and 3 minus 1, that is D pada yim. That is 5 equals to A plus sasa 2D. Tekan mang ngena action ni no, angkla minus 2D equals to A. Tekan ni the equation 1. Equation 2 pada dengan nyok no, equation 2 that is A 7. Tuan-tuan action ni sepuluh nak kema, A7 equals to A plus UA ni 7 minus 1 D. UA 7 di kan no, di 9 equals to A plus 6D. Di nam day, teman-takan ni nga alaban ang pagkada equation 2. Tingilan no, ini no, kung mag-isile, putting, solving mo, putting you A equals to 5 minus 2D in equation 2. Equation 2 that is 9 equals to A plus 6D or 6D, right? That is 9 equals to A jungi di kano 5 minus 2D plus 6D. Then 9 equals to or insya Allah 5 mana benda anak sini kalau negative tang satwa 5 minus ni plus tang you minus tang hiu sin plus ni plus that is ni kan no di 4D. Tang anak sini kalau minus 5 equals to 4D. Ni tam sa kan no hani tam sa 4. Anak sini kalau divide D mo D jungi di kano D jungi di 1 tekam nong in wat saya U A dan kam wat saya U A A tadi nak yo putting kumbaong IP putting D equals to 1 in equation 1 mah in equation 1 kemang isi yang kapoi A equals to 5 minus 2D the 5 minus 2 into 1 the 5 minus 1 at 2 that is A jungi di kan no A jungi di 3 dan nak yo anto day nak yo 3 teman tada dang nak yo D but yo A kalau sok nam sok ban calculate ini kalau very easy ban calculate how will we do that instrument into hence mila ban sim yo A1 jungi mo day 3 what about A2 jungi day 3 plus u plus 1 that is 4 the A3 jungi pandai yo A3 jungi day 4 plus 1 that is 5. Okay, the AP jungi lah yo AP dia kan no day 3, 4, 5 fi en kadang ka pattern iwe hitam that is 6, 7, 8 and 9 and so on. Kita lihat no kita AP jom ni itu AP jungi. The next kita ni sekarang number 6. The number 6 ko angkum no check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers. Check whether uni ulai spa iwe uday ni am uta utam jong kan ka list min jong ni u EP uday nam data utam ma. Let's check how will we do that. Taman in simple term let's just assume ba uni u 301 uday we un bela you in simple term along en uday kum last term along tama marhani pm mo bahe do uday u 301 tama ini put bikum taman so then I number 6 by the solution we need an OEP that is 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on hadu mindan hadu 301 and check whether uni uday nam ma. Then how will we do this? Nitip yung A jungi day 5, U D jungi day 11 minus 5 which is equals to 6. Okay. Then haning nitip U N etang nihap wa day nitip ra day nitip yung U A an jungi day 301. Then mabay. Okay. Then mentangin na aban subo direct an equals to A plus n minus 1 D. An jungi day 301 equals to A jungi day 5 plus n jungi day nitip day. Udi jungi pada dia kan day 6. Okay, the mentang you lab and calculate no, a lab and on here, that is minus 5 equals to cut no. When you multiply no, when you're not confused, the 6 into n long no, plus into plus on plus, that is 6n, minus into plus long, minus 6 1 6. The hen long, 301 minus 5, sasa cut no, 300 minus 5, 301 minus 5, sasa, 296. Okay, 296. The mentahan yan sasa, uni dangara no ni la un kala plus 6. Then the plus 6 kalong 302. Then sasa 6n. The uni n dangara ni kala 6 no ani. Then the uni cancel kom no. Let's cancel 6 la and 6 you 6 6 36 more 6 5 30 30 to no longer day to calculate away. Do 3 3 3 you do 2 I mean so sorry 2 2 3 are 6 2 1 2 carry 2 5 2 2 you 2 1, that is 151. The 151 the 3 dang na naman cancel uni on sa away day, that means when you they got no day 151 day the 151 divided by 3 tengah long you pay Nadang mi UN jung you in the form of a fraction. Maka term jung means composition, means first, second, third. You don't become time. You don't get oh my people day first, my people next per day from day. Iwe she teng jung iwe. Then day you don't come kata. So therefore, mentang 11 on. Therefore, 301 ude day away is not. It's not you. It's not a term. Pen mama pen ongkom no. It's not a term. Okay, it's not a term of the list of numbers. Okay, I hope so class 2 on 2. Then person next, that is the number 7. Number 7 bang ko no, how many 2-digit number are divisible by 3? There ko no kidan ta. Let's write in the multiplication of 3. Divisible means bala ban divide the 3. Ko mang ong ipi ko select way. That is 3 into 1 long 3, 3 into 2 long 6. Kini kideki belong in the bala ban divide mo. Means udo 3 are 9. But we see something hanging. Kong you belong kom no, how many 2-digit numbers belong divisible to 3? The way but ban zang ning kong do 3 4 8 nobody 2-digit kini ba ro like li kideki 1-digit. That means no 12 we have shim. Okay, that is 12, next one day 15, next one day 18, and so on. As to around I hope so. Then minta mani ayo ipi jung yun they got no jongka number 7. Okay, solution ipi jungi hami ude kat no ude 12 15 18 and so on. Teka angkum no kide kita atli tamot ki balong divisible do 3 ki barzang utaw first number ngitip uzang do uzang do khat ar ubakut padan zang do try in pet mo. How will we do that? We should know ba suppose komenta 100, that's nishim do no 100 jungi minta dam day uday umday should 2-digit day nam day. That means 100 unum day but the last 3-digit number or 2-digit I mean so sorry 99 one show 100 nam day 99 day last 2-digit jungi. Is it divisible with 3? They can calculate. That is 399. 3 are 9, 3 are 9. The more ulang the more 99 day last digit jungi day. The more mentang itip last term itip your first term itip. The habang itip your last term or first term. Kalau asuk kami given can you jungi day 12. Udi jungi day kat no 15 minus 12. Tinggal ada bentuk ikan itu di banding 3 dan UAN ni lah tem idang kamu ada UN means kat nanti kita ki N kita nak balaban kenda UA do 3 divide do 3 EN jungi day kat no EN jungi dan 99 nak buat UA UN. Okay, where EN jungi day A plus N minus 1 D. EN jungi day kat no 99 last term. E jungi day kat no day 12 plus N jungi day kat no N jungi yam tep ni buat UN. To D jungi day 3. Terdengaran nak sini 99 minus 12 long kat no 99 minus 12 sasa kat no 7 ni sasa 887. That is N. Ini akum hang ni pilaban A bit kum to N minus 1 3 pilaban A bit kum to ro ni 87. Terdengaran nak sini kalau divide N minus 1. N minus 1 that is only warning ila naman cancel. Let's check 3EU 3 2 are 6 tam 1 ni dalam 3EU 39 29 mod UN jungi unmi ano 29 unde UN pada nang sa 1 dalam ngira asni kelas plus 1 mod UN jungi de kan no undan kat no kita belong divisible dan lai pau mod kita ki belong divisible do 3 dengan 3 number beri 2 digit kede lai pau tel. Question next that is number 8. The number 8 ka ongkom no ini. Find the 11th term from the last term towards the first term of the EP uto. Ka ongkom no hani ka jeng kali ka ong what you ta 11 term na last term. That means haba ong kum ta what na last term come on towards the first term. That means unia menta EP jungi un kala kampong no. Ine na kum no menta hang ni inam shem sure ba uni the first term. In shem na uni the first term, uni utan the last term. So okay, yan pen kala kampong no. Ban what you ta in what you ya u 11 term. Okay, ka number 8 tingin ni kan number 8. Iki 11 term. Ine yung malu EP jungi unday not minus 62, dot, unday 4,7, 10. Okay, where A min 1000 you take out no, E jungi minus 62. Yeah, what you way you 11 term, okay? Okay, I hope so is a tour that is you D, but they can no D. Tamen niya lang ikan you D. In shem am uni ba uni in minus, then am day, them in there should be only the first term. That ko mga pet question. In shem you A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 sa minus 3. Tada kala kampong pa de unday minus 3 unmiya. Tekan ma da kala kampong pa de unday ujo hi 3 hi tamba unday na ayo plus 3. Then day kumbang isim uni bu uni. 10 minus 7 sa kano sa 3 din day tamba udi jungi day 3 and o a ding itap o an jungi day kan no day 10. Last term jungi day 10. Okay. Ya, what you aim minta bilang dan kamu what you aim A11 jungi dan dan kamu what A11 di kan dan kamu le uni last term risha dan bangi spin kala kampung spin EAP mo kena kuma that is A plus N minus 1 D. Okay, or A11 jungi ngitep ya mi hak what ta hi dan to A jungi di kan A jungi di minus 600 or minus 62 plus N jungi di 11 minus 1 D jungi di kan di 3 that is minus 62 plus 10 to 3 that is 30 minus 62 plus 30. The minus the plus long issue long minus can answer the me minus 32. What A11 jungi udah kan no minus 32. I hope so class 2 onto it's not confusing. And later bakal jinja kan mawet ada kila what your first term naka last term. Always remember mut pihak pen kala kam ong ya u number. Okay. The next spelling is second number 9. Kaong number 9 kaong kum no yung number 9 number 9 a sum of rupees 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interests form an EP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years making use of this fact. Ko ang no kadun kata ka sum of investment. Mo tahu bro a sum of rupees 1000. Mo tahu bro invest share jarting kamo in terms of what in simple interest term. Katakan seperti ini kadang ka formula invest share jarting ka o yo pra percent kata ka simple interest per year means man usnyam haka shishi snyam o yo pra percent lang kadang kiyo mo kata ka pisa ko ang kumno din calculate the interest at the end of each year. Ko ang kumno calculate eta ka interest at the end. Ko menta let's say menta ubo menta sansnem. Tengah menta calculate man usnyam hisnyam man calculate second year on calculate third year on calculate ni ha calculate da. Ko ang kumno do these interest form an EP? Ki form them ki EP? How will you check? We'll check ikata mo. Ni halik mo kamada check check your EP bu di nam form EP halik mo ni ha bat your D. If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years making use of this fact. And lada u form u EP ni ha wat ke interest ba u yo uni bri hadin lai po snem. How will we do that? Kum nong calculate kan ye. Number 9 and calculate. Show up in ni video bentuk a simple interest formula. The simple interest formula ka dekho no. Simple interest kalong profit into rate into time. P come profit rate into time. That is divided by 100. Take a profit there. A profit means kat na here. A profit means principal amount into a rate into time divided by 100. Okay, where P is the principal amount means kat no P invest the sum of money you invested, and R is equal to rate into T is the time means kat no kapuan P bu ma. Menta let's say menta ngitip ya principal that is 1000. Ka rate jungi ka kat no 8%. Dinam de 8%. 8% kada 8%. The rate kalong uni 100 udah utak 8% ni. That means ina ra support ara yung kam thok syo hang so. Okay, ka time pada day first year. Okay, hakas number ning kong. Okay, temen ta uni 0 uni 01 calculate ala 8 you 8 1 8 8 10 80. Mun on the first year ina even thok ma ka simple interest on the first year ka day kat no ka day kat 2. Kita flam thok ni simple interest first year. Dia minta second year pada N. Là ni phải ăn thọ mà. The interest at the end of the second year. The interest at the end of the second year. Thọ mà. And mà we have came ta bakut snem này. That is the financially. I mean, okay. We have came on the second year. Ta kada. Thọ mà. I mean on the last year. Okay. That is kani rupees kana 1,000 into you 8% divided by 100 into times day on the second year. So, mentahani ilaban cancel ni bu ni ro ilaban cancel. E2 akano E2 at 16. 16 into 10 nong kano 160. Cancel jeng di kano 116. Okay. I hope so class 2 rupees 160. There, let's calculate saka way pa dem. Bangina ang pa iyaki. Difference of ki kilong na am kumju on the third year pa dem. Interest at the end of the third year at home. 1,000 into 8 into 3. Cancel to 3 akat no 3 are 24 into 10 long 240. Okay, rupees 240. Okay, malusna there mentang ini awat okay. Ini awat ka common difference okay, so that we can do whether ki form shishan and EP difference come on E2 minus E1. Okay, E2 jeng ide kat no E2 jeng ide 160 minus 80 katamsa prapo hidai dengan simpiang E3 minus E2 which is equal to 240 minus 160. 240 minus 160 sasakan no 240 minus 160 kantam sa 80 kantam yang 80 then day therefore ilaban ang you ba uni form an EP therefore it forms an EP telada ang EP ka ang EP kasi kali ka ang no lada u form u EP ka ang no what you tau eh ya u 30th term then day that means in simple terms ya what a 30 ha what then day e 30 where a ngila te dekat no a jungi day 80 de hadian udi jungi dekat no di jungi dekat no di jungi pada udi jungi ru day 80 hi then day katam man usna ma a plus n minus 1 d where a jungi dekat no day a jungi di 80 plus 30 minus 1 d jungi day 80 is equals to 80 plus 29 into kat no 80 so 29 into 80 900 in AI 98 akan no 72 into 00 to 8 16 02 nin kala kan no so 13 that is 2320 2320 plus but 80 long kan no long 10 ni 4 2400 1 aja so spa kan no haka 38 iwa haka 38 term means kan ada haduk live post name after live post name ke interest ng kan haduk ano ajar Sauspa. Okay, I hope so. Feels to they're so slab now. Therefore, so interest at the end of the 30th year, kanang will be rupees 2,400. The kanang day rupees. Okay, I hope so. Class 2 the next day, the number 10. The number 10. The number 10, but in a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants. In the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 roses plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? Okay. There, hang ni ka ong mga kasing kali. Ko ong kanan kataka flower bed. Okay, kataka jaka bato sentiyo in rows kan ma. Te ko ong kumno kalong kumto ma in rows kalong kumno. There are 20 rose plants. Okay, then in simple term ila ya yung AP jumi. That is number 10 solution. Yung EP jungi uday kan no ningkong ulit 23 ki plan haka first row ki plan 23 haka second row ki plan 21 and haka third row 21 haka third row ki plan 19 and so on and then there are you and so on no there are 5 rows plan in the last row but then last row jungi uday kan no be 5 no how many rows are there in the flower bed in simple term come what you Abang, how many rows are there in the flower bed? It means kat no tali ki sintio in simple term ki don how ni u flower bed. Ta kumako ang ipi hang ni ngatung apulai hang ni apuwe kat kandai san hang ni ngatung am kumta te hang ni pre total hang ni baro ngatung kat no tali kin long kat no tali kin bandong nda kumbaw ni di A1 A2 A3 and so on means kat no tali ki rows. That means in simple term ya what do A ya what do N. Okay, how will we find that? In simple term, we tip you a formula. That is AN equals to A plus n minus 1. Thì cái này kalau masuk mana ni, where an udah way, last term that is 5. U jungi de 23 plus un jungi what un. U d jungi pa de kan 21 minus 20 minus 23 that is minus 2. Then đây, tingin na awak tu there 5 minus 23 kan no n minus 1. N minus 1 that is minus 2. Okay, laban ambil bracket betul banget keluar. Okay, the 5 minus 23 no minus you kan make answer jungi kan minus 18. The 18 the dangara on 2 sini angkula minus 2 ni ni minus cancel no n minus 1 2 you 9. Okay, 9 plus 1 equals to n. N jungi berdekat no dash po. Mod how many are you? There are 10 rows or in the flower bed. Mod shipau telikin dong no kita ki row bangin shna kita ki centimeter. That is only the first row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Only the fifth but udah no 10. Okay, I hope so class 2 on 2. Very easy. And next page is number 11. Number 11 but kau ni. Number 11. Okay, number 11 kau ni. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP. Kung no, what dia kata ke sum? Jom ke first 22 terms of the AP. Tangnya what kung no ke sum ke formula ni latip jom ke sum jom 22 terms of an AP. Uni ni the AP. Well, we don't know the last term. Tingin use ketuk kita formula sum komut plus. Okay, that is number 11. Solution. Ni tip yung AP. AP jom ni dekat no. AP jom ni day 8 3 minus 2 and so on. The sum formula dekat no. Jom ke 8, jom ke 22 term. Then you have what? That is n divided by 2. That is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Jadi kita ke formula ni. Buat ni di 22 divided by 2. Ni cancel satu 11. U a jom ni dekat no. Di 8. Di 8. U n jom ni dekat no. N jom ni di 22 minus 1. U d jom ni di 3 minus 8. Long kat no minus 5. Di minus 5. Okay. I hope so prima confused on 2. That is 11 to 8 akan no 16 plus 22 minus 1 saya akan no 21 minus 5. Okay, then can hani 21 minus 5 5 1 5 5 2 10 minus. Okay, that is 11 ini day 16 plus I be hani minus 105. Then minta minus untuk plus ni no 11 16 minus 105 minus 16 saya akan no hani in the shim 16, ang may sa 9, yung sa 15, the 15 for 9, and yung sa 8. One answer yung kinigan only, minus 89. That is 11 into yung minus 89. Okay, the minus 89 to 11, 19 and 9, 18 8, 8, 19 and 9, 8 9, 8, 8, 16, 17, that is 979. Minus, but now minus into plus lang ayo. Ang minus juga dan minus plus minus ikisain 979. Mun kasam jom kita ki first 22 terms of an EP kita kan no 907 minus 979. Okay, teman-teman first kan number 12. Number 12 pada ko ang kuno ini. Kung if the sum of the first 14 term of an EP is 1050 and its first term is kano and its first term is 10, kung no find the 28th term. Kung no ada kata kasam jong ka first 14 terms of an EP kita take 14 terms kasam jong kita long kano she's pasan. Teman kasam jong kita ki first 14 term kasam kita kano 14 terms. Okay, kasam jong kita ki 14 terms lada kada shi 1050 and its first term A1 jong di kano dish po. Okay, kung no find the 28th term. That means A you have what? You have what? A20. Okay, A20 dekat no ni ma. Okay, teman-teman ini lihat kuno ikan ni kejan. You can this kan number 12 ma. Kan ni. Shame the number 12. Number 12 kuni no solution. Teman-teman shame ka sum shwa. That is SU as 14 equals to n divided by 2, which is 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, where as 14 yang nak tekan no 1050 and jeng tepi 14 2. Okay, yang awak dekat 28 term tu mah 2 a jeng tepi 10 nak tep kalau orang pa ka jengkeli and jeng di 14 minus 1 udi jeng tepi yang awak dia udi dai. Okay, there ni 1050 ni buat ni cancel, that is 7. Dai tinggal nak macam kelar negatif dai unum kelar negatif. Okay, here is but where people make wrong mo mistakes ki bakala ki kena hang ni kan madara sini unum kala negative hang ni dan ni dan you multiply madara sini kala you un kala divide. Okay, that is to 10 at 20 plus uni buat 10 plus into plus long plus, that is 14d minus into plus long u long minus d 1d long mo bong the plus into minus long u the only buat ni ngila men cancel the let's cancel no only buat ni ngila 7 1 at 7 times 3 7 5 7 0, that means 150 kalau dah kalau 150 ke tu you cancel away there. Okay, 150, that is uni ngila bana na shiji shade the range kala minus 20. Okay, minus 20 there not already minus 20 hang ni dengan shim ayu plus into minus long minus, that is 13 d then I equal hang ni, so sorry akla na equal so we have plus takada the plus into minus long u long minus, that is 130 that is I mean the 13 1 at 13 0, that is d udi jungi de kan no udi jungi de 10. Okay, so ala da udi jungi de 10 udi jungi de 10 teman tengah buat saya ke a ya buat ke a ayu a20 deh a20 jungi de kan no man oh sorry udi negative ma negative. Okay, udi am negative I hope so come back oh udi positive, so sorry udi plus ni positive since we have uni am ni plus into minus long minus tama we have plus udi positive udi 10. Okay, that is a20 pating have what a20 de a plus n minus 1 d đấy we have a di kan no a jungi ingi tep 10 d am 10 how at 10 the n jungi di kan 20 minus 1 udi jungi de then have what a20 di kan no plus then on hen long 19 into 10. Okay, 19 into 10, that is 10 plus 190 190 man long r spa o a20 jungi ude kan no a20 jungi ude r spa. I hope so piso to ekato kam dai ka ba e so spit back ang kisain yo fi bakra ko mga baklam ne ngai ibanga bakun ithok minus hangi takada. Okay, then number 13 you have option number 13 next number 13 ka ang hi how many terms of the AP 24 21 18 must be taken so that the sum is 78. Mga option ka andari taki AP, that means in simple terms any have what bakan long kan no baka sum jo ki ladang ni plus star kin ki AP ka sum jo ki kan long kan no ka sum jo ki kan long 78 to AP na te ani AP jing ni 24 21 18 and so on mo ani ni te AP jing ni 24 udi jungi de no udi jungi 21 minus 24 sasa minus 3 and ua jungi tep kasam sn mo ngitem sn mo de sn de 78. Okay, mo hangin shim ayo shim sn equals to n divided by 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, sn jungi tep de 78 n tep ra. Okay, 2 into ayo or a di kan 24 a plus n jungi tep n minus 1 udi tep that is minus 3 then I bracket ni confused teman-teman ngala ban ra na yoni shaniro. Okay, ngala ban ra na yoni shani or ngala ban a ko turu ka piman ini a sharo ta min check ngila na menweng, that is 24 a 2 a 448 plus the then o yoni and I bracket plus into minus into plus long long minus, that is 3n minus into minus long plus, that is 1 a 3 means when biang ki bracket they can we start nama ki sign bun sing shi bakala takada 48 long plus into minus long minus 3n plus into plus long plus, that is 3. Okay, the plus into plus long here long 3 or plus into plus long plus I mean n divided by 2, that is 48 plus 3 long kan no long 51 minus 3n. They have ni minta ni ken kum ni ki jajin ken tengene kum no nganda no ni shite number bangan let confuse 78 into 2 equals to n and tengin a 51 3n. Okay, the 78 into 2 to 8 akan no 16 to 7 are 14 15, that is 156 equals to n into 51 long no 51 n the plus into minus long minus the 3 into n long no 3 into 3n long no n into 3n I mean that 3n square tekan mau ni 3n square jula long negative thing down actually 156 kan kalau minus 51n kan kalau plus 3n square equals to f0. Teman-teman ini bu accordingly kan ya ini u dan kamu u n dalam deh minus 51n plus 156 equals to 0. Teman-teman ni gila 6 lah baju shim common hang ni. Can we take common in between them? What is common in between them? 3 u and shim no ani sa n square minus u 3 u no ni 3 1 carry ani sa 2 3 7 that is 17n the plus u 3 u 3 5 f 16 3 2 6 equals to 0. Tu ni dengan asli kala u kalau divide no di multiply kalau divide no plus 52 equals to 0. Me 0 itu mah. Teman-teman yang nak benda u splitting the middle term, that is in splitting the middle term begin what way ya u n. Dengan what u n in splitting the middle term means the multiply kita ke asli number ini bentuk 52. That is 1 into 52. The multiply kita ke asli number ini bentuk plus 52 and the plus and the minus ini bentuk minus 17. Kita ke asli number. Kita ke asli number yang LCM 2u 2 are 4 to 6 to 1 to 3. Tinggal ayo antu. 2 to 2 are 4. 4 plus 13. 4 plus 13 long 17. Tambah something usain hani gitu benda negative din ni. Tingin shim ayo. Bahang niru ladang ashim plus baru plus dengan shim. Shubu mentah ladang ashim mentah. Dengan shim hani minus niru minus into minus long ayo. Long plus tambah usain umi minus din ni. Dan ni dengan multiply pada minus into minus long ayo. Long plus din ni. Tingin ayo eka tukar assumption. Tingin nak benda ni fix hang niru iba confused. Bu minus habar dengan I baru 13. Okay, dengan I baru 13n. Dengan I baru plus u or 4n in shim u to 13n baru 4n plus 52. Okay, equals to 0. Tinggal nak beri nak kisahin hang ni. That is minus into plus long minus 13n minus plus long minus 4n. The minus to minus long plus tambah umi answer minus. Then they kalau mi ka answer jong ni deh. Teman-teman shim common hang ni we belong common hang ni un. N minus 13. Okay. In shim ni minus. We belong common in between them. 4 is it? 4 belong common in between them. 4 what? 4 into n. 4 1 are 4. That is minus to plus or minus. 4 into kat no belong you. 4 into 30. 4 3 are 12. 4 1 are 4. 52. Sorry. 13. La yo ka answer. Udah n jung ni udah you. N jung ni udah kat near or equals to 0. N jung ni udah 13 equals to 0. Cuma ni dan atli ki n jung ni udah 4. When you la benda kan nuru udah 13. The both of them are you. Mod kilang kumno ki yo ki value zungi kilang kumno ki they are the same. I mean you don't atli ki n. That means ula benda 4 ula benda 13 ru. Since both of them are positive, so n zungi ula benda you ula benda either 4 or ula benda u 13. Okay, I hope so bisa tu ada tu. It's not confusing. Then question next. That is the number 14. Ke number 14 ni ko ang kumno ka jing kelipan ko ang okay. Ko ang find the sum of number 1, the first 1000 positive integers. Ko ang know what is the sum jong kita ki first 1000 positive integers means ki bede positive bit, okay? And ka sum jong ka first n positive integers. First n positive but first 1000 positive integers. In simple terms come on you. Ni yo AP ni. The way ka sum. The one in simple term number 14 deh. The number 14 ya yo AP hani. Kung nung yo AP kita ki sum jong kita ki first positive integers ni. First positive numbers ni kita 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on hado 1000. Okay, hado 1000 ko ang what kata ka sum jong kita ki first positive 1000 means siya jatli kita ki number ka sum jong ki means nga plus ki baro kan long kan no. Then simple term ya to your first term but ya last term ta asuk hangi ben wat dinam dei. Ya long bagi what you as 1000 kita bakadan ni long bawa n. Okay, that is A plus L. Okay, that is kanong inchim hangni as 1000. That is hangni ya what way mut hangni tip u n. I mean so sorry ni what dia utak kasam ka total la dangi ken ni u n so sorry u n jangi di shia jatli ki dan ya tip ki dan shia jatli and kasam means ni plus ki baro kalong kat no shia jat divided by 2. That is A jangi di kano 1 plus 1000. Okay, that is only long no transpan. Okay, that is 500 into kano 1001. Okay, 1001 kanang kano kalong tawon pun EAP kalong ken 0000 into we are lisa into 5 1 are 5, 5 0 0 0, 5 1 are 5. We are 5, we are 5. Một cần long 5 0 5. Okay, I hope so class 2 jungi but you way ka sum jong kita ki 1000 positive integers ki de ki no kadai kan no san lang san spa de nam dei san spa. Okay, san lang san spa. Temen ta ko ong de ka second part de ko ong kum ni. The second part of the question ko ong ni ba ni hak buat ke a. Ni hak buat ka sum jong kita ki first n positive integers. Ba ong sum jong first n positive means number positive number udan kata bakut positive number dan jing kut rada kita ki positive number ki numbers ki long kom no ki bit infinity kat banginang la banyo dei kat ta ki dang yang ki number zenam dei ka ba ong first n mo n ka mo define yung number bangim tip o value bangim tip denam dei the in simple term ka long kom ni ta menta ni tip ni la ban wat u ep hang ni kalong kumbang shit batay kan maka tubang batay sakmat finite but infinite hami infinite kani kadika finite where matip your first term but your last term kani kalong infinite kan so to 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on un pedikan means kata kala term ayu buat positive ukut ha ngin tip dalile ren dai ya buat dia kasam jong utakan where ni tip first term jungi udai 1 and last term jungi udai kan no an jungi udai kan no udai n the common you mention mekani in shim ya ka ju ika formula that is s n mentang yim tip re ka term jungi dai n divided by 2 a plus l. Okay, a plus l a plus l the where we know that is un ni tip ni di n ben u a jungi di kan u a jungi ni di ben tip hang ne u de kan u a jungi de 1. Okay, u l jungi pa di kan u l jungi n means yim tip ukut hai den ne ta kadang I n ken so thua kadang yim tip in I n. Okay, ka term that is a n ni ani ngila am a n ro mo ni I n mo ngin I ta a n that means I n ken unknown value bangim tip o value. Okay, thì hết cái này là bình thọ cùng nữa hết cái này là bình thọ n divided by 2 là làm thọ n cùng nghĩa là or plus 1 là bình thọ cùng in simple term còn lòng biệt cùng nghĩa n plus 1 that is 2 tất cả lòng cùng bằng mỹ formula đấy một your value bằng nhím chép okay. I hope so pieces to on to that is the second part trong cả you want the sum of first n positive integers is given by cái này cái answer trong okay. The next info is number 15. The number 15 ko ang kumno kajing kilingi ko ang find the sum of first 24 terms ko ang find the sum of the first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by kumte the kani kajing kilingi na wa ina kendi shakman how will we calculate this number 15 ko ang kumno ni find the sum of the first 24 terms of the list of you day ka sum jong ki a kita first 24 terms. Okay, S24 ni hawali kita mo kan natli ta kisam da kabashim ua where ua ta un term jing ngitip un an mod jing uday kan no 3 plus 2n temen tahang ni ko mangile ko no ngilet mal binginan kami ki ep hapa banginan kama di kini kisam dan kama mi ki ep la dang ngitip ki ep ko mangin wa da kasam dai nam dai temen ta ni you let n equals to 1 no the a1 equals to 3 plus 2 into 1 then that is 3 plus 2 that is 5 there 5 then in next one e2 that is 3 plus 2 2 3 plus 4 that is 7 the next one is e3 and what I like 3 plus 2 3 3 are 6 3 plus 6 long 9 but nila yo to ep jungi de kan dai the list of numbers mo ep jungi de kan no ep jungi dai tadi di 5 7 9 PE yang ni tam kat no tutu arah tu means next nak tu bentuk next Sunday 11 okay and so on jika sum jong no ka power jong 24 term ka sum means ka total jadi up term okay that is nani n divided by 2 2a plus n minus 1 b tementai nak ada bentuk kan 1 un jeng di kan 24 divided by 2 2 a jeng di kan di 5 n jungi ni plus ni di n jungi di 24 minus 1 d jungi pada dekat 7 minus 5 that is 2 plus 2 okay to ni buat ni to 1 to 2 that is 12 to 5 are 10 plus ni long 23 to 2 23 into 2 that is 2 3 are 6 to 2 are 4 46 equals to 12 10 plus 46. Take another long 12. 10 plus 46 long 56. Okay. The 56 into 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 5 are 10. 11. 1 6 are 6. 1 5 are 5. That is 672. Một cái sum chúng ta 24 terms cái đấy cả nó reduce by nhiều po. Okay, I hope so. That is shown the sum of the first 24 terms of the list of numbers is 672. The thought kata. Okay. The next info is the next question. That is number 16. The number 16 pat ko angkom no ingi ka jingkali. Ko angkom no ka jingkali. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the 7th year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find number 1 the production in the first year, number 2 the production in the 10th year, and the total production in the 7th year. The production in the first year, come on you in simple terms, you have what you A1, okay, and no production in the 10th year means A10 you have what and the total production in the 7 years. Total production pada kamu you mun ka sum ka total means kat no baro ha ka first, second, third, fourth, fifth hadu a 10 year ni whatever it is hadu 7 year pada kan mo hadu news na kadai kat no pishna kita ki total production kat production jong ka pada ko a manufacturer of TV mut kidon kata manufacturer basna you basna TV sets produce 600 ka ongno sets produce of TV sets produce 600 sets in the third year. Tengila di betul kena kajin kili ba kono ba kedon kishna TV. Okay. Number 16. Okay, let's see. Taken mau haka AU haka third year A3 means haka A3 ushna ka natli ki TV ushna means on the third year haka snam ko balai ushna just patli TV and on the 7th year on the 7th year per ushna kan tuli ushna news patli. They're assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. Find the first year. You have what way? You have what the first year. The come in what the first year. How will we find the first year? First and foremost, we need to find ni even tip shapang ke ni even tip shapang jong kini atli sho am. Then come you ni come you a but you di dinam day then come you a but di langi la ban what you a but di te ta o e ting la la ban what masuk aman what dangi especially you di dangi tip you di lite mot klasuk hai ngi bangin what dinam day tingin le kum no kumangishim encem A3 kasi day kom no A plus U 2D ngila ban ong dinam day where A3 jong di kan no 600 equals to A plus 2D dinam day ngila aman ong kom to A jong A plus 2D ngila aman no shini 600 dengan the equation 1 jong to kumangi jule hima A7 kan day A plus 6D kan ba thok to formula fil ibn thok ban thok kan ni ngakan chicken na ibn so A plus U 6D tekan yang the equation 2 the putting ko masih put here then putting kan ma ban thok ekato putting semua ni sim putting that is mentang dan kami ke ni dan kam tengene 1 putting simane 700 equals to haja ka jung in bono 600 minus 2D then kan plus 6D right that is 700 minus 600 equals to kan minus plus long minus tama answer kan meet plus 4D tekan long 100 divided by 4 which is D. Okay, they only about me and cancel for 2 to 25 D jungi dekat number D jungi day 25 ini alam sukma putting D equals to kata-kata in equation 1 mah equation 1 that is A equals to 600 minus 2D 600 minus 2 into 25 long kan long 50 600 minus 50 kan long kan san pau ka answer ni aging na yo 0 idan kam what you kat kam ka jingkili means kat kam ka jingkili ko ang mini production ka jingkili ko ang mini kumno ko ang the total production in the first year mod the total therefore kat ko number 1 total production in the first year is san po. Okay, yeah, you auto san po. Ko ong there the production in the 10th year. One number 2 pan total production pa there. Haka A haka in the 10th year pa there. On the 10th year kade kan no. On the 10th year finwan kan no. A10 equals to kam no kumashi can A plus 9D. Where A day kan no san po plus 9 into D jungi day. D jungi day 25. Then day that is sans part san po plus 9 5 akano 45 2 9 18 plus 4 long kano 22 as part po san. Okay, you hope so student to dia ni bane plus long kano long 7 7 5. Okay, ka total production on the 10th year kadai is 7 7 5. Kajingkali juni kapat kot raham to ko ong de kom no kajingkali ko ong ka number 3 pan karan sa number 3 kapat 3 ko ong kom no kasi kapat 3 pa ko ong ini ko ong the total production in first 7 years pede kata ka total production in the first 7 years they mo kanai in what again in what s pini ong o pini what seu pini what s7 and kanum day pini what s7 number habong total kamot le pila shimbaro le pila kshna baro am haka 7 year pade ka no pishna day in simple term ka long ka bangi what s7 dinam day na long what s7 s7 that is n divided by 2 that is 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, I substitute onto 7 divided by 2 we need 2 a jungi de no a jungi de 550 minus or plus sorry n de 7 minus 1 d jungi de no d jungi de 25. Okay, that is 7 divided by 2 2 0 to 5 10 to 5 10 11 e and u plus u can even long 6 into 25 6 into 25 7 divided by 2 along 110 plus 6 5 at 30 6 2 at 12 plus 3 long 1550. Okay, that is 72 into the plus you can even long 1 2 5 0 1 2 5 0 the only allowance cancel 2u to 6 to 2 to 5 625 into 7 the 7 5 akan no 7 5 are 35 to 7 2 are 14 the plus akan long 15 16 17 7 6 akan no 42 43 4375 ka total production means hadu ka news nam hadin news nam am ka tv kishna hadu kan ki sets of tv kishna sauja raspa and your po santali therefore that's the total production of tv sets in the first 7 years ka de kanu 4375. Okay, I hope so class to around to there yes kan ya poi sak bakut jong kan ke examples jong kan ke exercise or jong kan ke chapter 5 tela da pisutana ekan video onam click and like share comment but enjoy and subscribe and when click and press the bell icon if you miss any videos bangan post akan next part ka video and ka next part ka video in sale ka next chapter that is ka chapter 6. Thank you.